for all Kannadigas that it's happening in Bengaluru a couple of years, 1996 onwards, and today it's indeed become bigger and better. We are all eagerly awaiting the arrival of the other dignitaries, as already indicated to all of you. The Honorable Raksha Mantri, Shri Rajnath Singh, is already here. Well, Asif Beg, if you talk about the various pavilions when we were walking here,
right.
I mean,
CEOs from various countries participating, which is the biggest for this time, and at the same time, this speciality use perhaps participating from America as well and Russia as well, and we have our favorite Sukhoi as well, which we will be flying today and we'll be watching.
The fly pass. We can need to be proud to be Indians here, and India now is attracting the attention of the entire world. And all these have worked together as a team, and the spectacular air show has been readied for the assemble in our helicopters, in our aeroplanes to a very large extent.
HAL playing a very, very big role in this space. We've got our own entities. This Aero India is not just about showing off our mighty machines, it's also about creating billion opportunities to various segments.
Indeed, because we are in billions, and the best part is the strongest aspect of India is that we are a strong
might and the power, and also showing the power we as India hold.
Absolutely.
Protectors of the seas. Here comes the Varuna formation of Indian Navy.
The Sarthi formation with one sea. Shakti formation with one Rafale flanked by the Sukhoi 30 MKIs would approach the days.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the
indigenous solution. The LCA Mark 1 Alpha is an advanced variant of the first Aboriginal fighter that stands as a symbol of technological evolution. Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of you is the HTT taking off. The pilot takes off and will leave the arena, but only to surprise you in a short while. Following the After this majestic takeoff, the aircraft is climbing to just a mere 500 feet for its first maneuver. As the aircraft turns right at 500 feet, it will demonstrate its first maneuver. This maneuver is a roll demonstration, a series of neatly crafted rolls that displays the roll agility of the aircraft at speeds of 200 to 300 knots. Look to your right, ladies and gentlemen, as the aircraft is coming in for a series of neatly crafted rolls. Carry out a max straight turn. Look at the ease at which the aircraft is able to carry out this maneuver. Now the aircraft is performing a minimum radius turn right in front of you. Can you imagine such a fast aircraft carrying out such a short turn? After completing that minimum radius turn, the aircraft now recovers. The aircraft is on short funnels for landing, and even though the landing is a mere 700 to 900 meters, to conserve brakes and tires, it is a norm to carry out aerodynamic braking and use tail chutes. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for Tejas Mark 1 Alpha.
The pilots will execute a wing over to the left and position for a barrel roll to the right. Started as HAL's own program, STT-40 has been under development since 2013. The first prototype of STT-40 performed its experimental flight on 31st May 2016. The pilot pulls up was a horizontal figure of 8. The aircraft avionics, electrical and mechanical systems like brakes, landing gear, fuel and ECS systems. STT-40 is now positioned for a landing. This is a unique feature of this aircraft, and as the aircraft concludes its aerial display, it leaves behind a message that India's aviation future is bright and the sky is no longer the limit but just the beginning.
Coming up next is our very own indigenously designed and developed intermediate.
Ladies and gentlemen, please look forward where the LUH painted in shining colors is closing in. Here she is, accelerating smoothly to maneuvering speeds. Hold your breath as you see LUH speeding off for the first maneuver, the wing over to the left. The pilots make a sharp pitch up to 60 degrees, hit a paddle turn before they come out to the left and then head back. You can as she accelerates into a level flight. शानदार कलाबाजियों को जारी रखते हुए कैप्टन एक बार फिर विंग ओवर की तैयारी में, इस बार दाईं की ओर।
As the LUH comes in for a small radius turn, the pilots will experience high G loading as they make the turn with a high bank angle, demonstrating the excellent handling qualities and performance capabilities. Piloting the LUH today, we have Wing Commander Anil Bhambani, retired, who is a seasoned test pilot with more than 6,000 hours of flying to his credit. Sharing the cockpit with him is Wing Commander S.P. John, retired Vayu-Sena Medal and Chief Test Pilot Rotary Wing HAL, who has amassed more than 7,500 hours of flight, culminating in the exhilarating tail-up hover. The LUH proceeding rearwards with a unique tail rotor design, allowing it to hover, showcasing the razor-sharp response and control power available to the pilot.
Ladies and gentlemen, please now pull up to perform a marvelous maneuver, the stall turn. Climbing up steeply as it bleeds its speed to zero, and with a sharp rudder turn, accelerating downwards. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, performing the signature maneuver once again right in front of us.
These manuva ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಎಂದು ವಿನಯದಿಂದ ತಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಲು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಎನಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.
LUH दुनिया के सबसे ऊंचे युद्ध क्षेत्र सियाचिन ग्लेशियर पर उतरने की काबिलियत रखता है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत के दृष्टिकोण के तहत LUH हेलीकॉप्टर डिजाइन और निर्माण में भारत की बढ़ती ताकत का प्रतीक है।
This marks the end of a brilliant display by LUH. Ladies and gentlemen, please give the wonderful pilots a big...
Now ready to take up the thrill by few notches. भारतीय वायुसेना जानी जाती है अपने अनुशासन, एकाग्रता और कार्यकुशलता के लिए, और कुछ ही देर में सूर्य किरण एरोबैटिक टीम इसी हुनर और जोश को दर्शाती नजर आएगी. So please welcome the ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team. फॉर्मेशन से अलग हो चुके हैं, मगर घबराएं नहीं, वो जल्द ही आपसे मिलने आए. टीम के विमान अब आपकी बाईं ओर से पीछे आ चुके हैं डेप्यूटी लीडर ग्रुप कैप्टन सिद्धेश कार्तिक के विंग्स पर, और इन्होंने बना लिया है आसमान में अंग्रेजी का अक्षर V. This V stands for victory and is dedicated to all our soldiers. Here's presenting the Victory Formation. आप सबको याद होगा कि कुछ देर पहले एक विमान फॉर्मेशन से अलग हो गए थे, मगर लगता है वो आपसे दूर नहीं रह पाए, और ये देखिए आपकी बाईं ओर से नंबर 7 फ्लाइंग इनवर्टेड. And now get ready to see 9 glorious jets rolling together in the sky, flying at less than 5 meters of distance between them. 7 buzzing through the skies at more than 800 kilometers. चलिए सुनते हैं लीडर का आदेश सीधा उनकी कॉकपिट से।
First, go!
Wing Commander Kuldeep Hooda. अगले करतब के लिए कृपया अपनी दर्शकों, टीम का अगला मैनूवर है बहुत ही खास, क्योंकि आप देखेंगे कि हमारे पायलट्स अब बन जाएंगे आर्टिस्ट्स। And that's the Suryakiran Heart dedicated to each one of you present here today at Aero India 2025.
Hey!
Kamal Sandhu, Mr. Karthik Satyanarayan, Mrs. Neha Gulalia, Mr.
Request all our guests to please be seated as we have a melodious tribute by the revered Indian Air Force Band. We'd like to request all of you to please continue being seated. Thank you.